Hello everyone, this is Sinjin here, and today I have a super cute and fun DIY project to share with you guys. We will be making a Pusheen cat using an embroidery or sewing method called cross stitch. Here is the kit that we'll be using today. However, you can always find all the materials at your local craft store and follow my video to create this cute project. First, to load our fabric, unscrew the hoop and remove the middle ring. Position your fabric in the center and sandwich it in between the two rings. Then, press down the outer ring and tighten the screw on top so that our fabric is loaded. The pattern I'm following today is Pusheen holding a donut. We are going to start off with the pink color. Remember to separate and use only one of the strands. Feed it through the eye of our needle and then doubling it over so that we have equal amounts on either side. I'm going to start off in the center with Pusheen's mouth. Try to get it super close to the center as possible. To make a cross stitch, pull up from the bottom left corner and sew through the top right. Next, sew up from the bottom right corner and cross diagonally to the top left. I know this can be a little confusing, just take your time and make sure you always start off your X stitch with the bottom left corner. After the pink, I'm going to make all the stitches with the brown color. This includes the outline and Pusheen's face. This part can be a little time consuming. Remember to just relax and carefully sew through all of your stitches. With that being done, now I'm going to make the 3-stripe pattern with a darker gray color. I know how it feels when you're first starting off and this feels really difficult. This is also my first time using cross stitch, but trust me, it gets easier as you get used to the method. I then went on to fill in the color Pusheen using a light gray color. Another tip for you guys is that if you want your pattern to turn out more neat, make sure all your stitches ends with a stitch diagonally from the bottom right corner to the top left. And here is how it looks so far. I'm going to also add on the little heart. This step is totally optional, I'm just following along with the pattern. You can also add on little stars or any other shapes you like. You might also notice that the back of your pattern is a bit messy with all the strand ends, but that is okay. Lastly, remove Pusheen from the hoop and it's all complete. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was so fun sharing this project with you guys, and remember to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also subscribe to my channel for more cute DIYs, and I'll see you guys next time.